Hello friends, today's question is state the prescribed nominal cover to concrete depending upon exposure conditions, including permissible deviations, if any, as per IS 456 of 2000. So, before proceeding to the answer, let me tell you some things about cover. You see, the cover, according to me, apart from the quality of concrete, is the most important factor in preserving or extending the life of any concrete member which is a part of reinforced concrete. So, as asked in the question, to prescribe to state the prescribed nominal cover to concrete according to exposure conditions, well, in my previous videos I had enumerated about the various exposure conditions that any concrete member will face during its lifetime. So I had mentioned 5 exposure conditions in my previous videos: mild, moderate, severe, very severe, and extreme. So according to these exposure conditions, the nominal cover is specified in IS 456 of 2000. So for mild, the nominal cover should be greater than or equal to 20 millimeter. For moderate exposure condition, it should be greater than or equal to 30 millimeter. For severe exposure condition, it should be greater than 45 millimeter. And for very severe exposure condition, it should be greater than 50 millimeter, and for extreme exposure condition it should be greater than or equal to 75 millimeter. But bear in mind that these nominal cover values are the minimum values, and a slight deviation is allowed as per IS 456, that is in the positive side, that is the nominal covers can extend by further plus 10 millimeter, and on the negative side you cannot deviate. That means that the nominal cover values are minimum values. Bear this in mind. Furthermore, let me tell you, in question 1 and question 2 I had stated about nominal covers apropos footings, and in question 2 nominal cover apropos columns. Now you see, in IS 456 of 2000 there are overriding clauses governing footings and columns, which I had stated in question 1 and 2. So bear that in mind. Further,